Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So tonight or today I'm going to be attempting to do a slick natural ponytail. It really don't have to be that slick, but anyways, and I'm whispering because it's late and everybody's asleep. But this is what I'm going to be using. It's called Edge Booster. I never used this before, but I saw it on YouTube, and girl, it was working good for a lot of people with like thicker hair, so I decided to try it out. So this is how it looks. I think it'll work because it's really like pasty like, and it's not watery, so it's not gonna make my hair revert. This is old hair. It needs, well, it don't need to be washed, but I plan on washing it soon. So but I wanted to do like a ponytail with it first. So this is what I am working with, and as you can see, I have my hair sectioned off. I have these two sections, this section and a back section, so all together I have like 4 sections, and I may do like some more sections if I need to, but what if? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the back, and what I'm gonna do is just take some of this Edge Booster, ooh, which is really pasty. I like that, and I'm just gonna apply it like, and I have my brush. It's a hard bristle brush, but I'm going to just brush what I just did up, and I'm gonna add some more gel because like my hair is stretched, well, a little bit, but anyways, it's a little it's stretched, I guess you would say, since I just took it out of braids. So yeah, and I'm just gonna split. So I don't know if y'all can see this, but I just split the back, and then I'm just gonna add some more gel. Just add some more gel, just like that. Put the gel on this side. Alright y'all, so I'm at the top, and y'all look, I cut my hair when I was taking my crochet down, but anyways, since I'm at the front, I'm just going to apply it to my hair. I've never in my life, look at this. I've never in my life had a gel that works so good on my hair. For real. Alright, y'all, so I'm letting it sit for a minute, and I got on 2 scarves because I want it to be really flat, and I'm just gonna add some foundation to my face because I am doing like 2 videos in one. So I'm gonna get my face together. I ain't gonna do nothing too, like, I'm really just throwing on foundation, mascara, and that's probably it. Alright, y'all, so the ponytail that I am using is a part of the Instant Half Up, Half Down by Sensational. So it comes with like a half wig and then like a ponytail. So I'm just going to be using a ponytail today. This is my first time using it. It looks like this. I combed it out to make it bigger and like more kinkier. Like that. And so I'm just going to clip it on my ponytail and then wrap it around with this and secure it with a bobby pin. So okay, y'all, so this is how it is looking. I really like this ponytail. I think it is so cute. And although it does not match the texture of my hair, like, it's okay because I ain't going nowhere. But this is a really cute style. I love it. A week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching. Alright, so I know y'all thought the video was over, but it ain't. So I got these little raggedy, and when I say raggedy, they're raggedy. These raggedy clip-ins, but they match my hair texture better. So I'm just clipping them around my ponytail. Just like, I can't explain it, but I'm just clipping it around the ponytail. Alright, y'all, so let me know which ponytail y'all like better. Do y'all like the clipping ponytail, which gives me a more natural look and matches my hair texture better? Or do you guys like the wavy? Let me know. Just let me know. I think I like this one, and I'm gonna leave it wild like, because I think that looks good.